In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Typeform. Whether you're gathering feedback, conducting research, or simply wishing to engage with a wider audience, Typeform provides the tools you need to design an interactive and visually appealing survey with ease. Let's dive in and get started on crafting a survey that's both effective and enjoyable for your respondents. First off, you'll want to log into your Typeform account. Once inside your workspace, you'll see an option to begin a new survey. This is usually highlighted with a New Form button located at the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to choose between starting from scratch or utilizing one of the many available templates. Choosing a template can save you time, especially if you're looking to create something like a customer satisfaction survey, event registration, or market research form. However, if you prefer more control over your layout and content, opting for a blank form allows you to build your survey entirely from the ground up. Now let's delve into building and customizing your questions, the heart of any survey. By clicking the plus question button, you can add various types of questions, such as multiple choice, open-ended text, file uploads, and rating scales. Typeform provides an intuitive interface that makes it easy to tap on a question to edit the text, change the question type, and adjust the formatting to fit your needs. To take your survey a step further in engagement, consider embedding media. By clicking the plus button and selecting media, you can incorporate images, GIFs, or even videos. These elements are not just for decoration. They can make your survey more engaging and visually appealing, helping to keep your respondents interested and motivated to complete it. Another fantastic feature Typeform offers is Logic, also known as Logic Jump. This tool allows you to create a more dynamic and personalized experience for respondents by directing them to different questions based on their previous answers. Additionally, using the Recall Information option, you can reference earlier responses later in the survey, such as addressing respondents by name for a more personalized touch. Before you finalize all your hard work, make sure to preview your survey. This preview feature simulates the respondent experience, allowing you to check navigation, appearance, and how the logic behaves across questions, ensuring everything works smoothly before going live. Once you're satisfied with the content and flow, embrace your creative side by customizing the aesthetic of your survey under the Design tab. Here, you can adjust the layout, color scheme, fonts, backgrounds, and even choose quiz themes to reflect your brand or set the appropriate mood. Finally, it's time to publish and share your survey. When you're happy with everything, questions, design, and flow, hit the Publish button. You'll then be able to copy a shareable link, embed code, or even distribute your survey via social media or email. And there you have it. Creating an engaging, interactive survey in Typeform is straightforward and rewarding. We hope you found this guide useful and that your next survey is a resounding success. Thanks for watching.